Hey, how's it going? Look, if you're looking for a easier way to do affiliate marketing without showing your face, without having to um, be all inside of the background, this is a great opportunity with SaaS. This is software as a service, and what it is a marketing software where you can do email follow-ups, capture pages, things of that nature that marketers use on the everyday in their business. Now, instead of paying for two and three and four and five different systems to have to integrate everything into one system to be able to have a capture page that goes to a bridge page that goes to your sales page that does your email follow-up, that captures this sends out this message. This is an all-in-one platform, a one-time payment, and it's one and done. It's $150, and it also gives you the reseller rights because it's member to member direct sales to be able to earn $100, and it comes with leverage. So every time someone who purchases under you and they be affiliate of it and they sell the software, you make a $25 commission on top of off of that. So it's an all in one and done marketing system. Go over and show you what's inside of the marketing system real quick and run you through the dashboard. So when you purchase the product and you become a member of the marketing system, what you're gonna get is edit, to be able to edit capture pages. So it comes with done for you capture pages that you can also edit, and the done for you capture pages are use what you just seen, what we clicked off of. That's a done for you capture page, and what that's going to do is attract clients to you and customers to you, and let you know more about the system. You know, be able to connect, keep all your contacts here, because it's the auto responder too, so you catch up to unlimited leads depending on what system you come in at. There is a up to four systems that they do have, and all our product packages that they offer. You'll be able to edit, capture pages, and view your email contacts, set up a bridge page, and everything has a training video that show you how to use the system. An autoresponder, you can be able to set up a third-party autoresponder, which is like if you have Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, you'll be able to send your link and your code and show you all inside this 1 minute video on how to set up your third-party autoresponder, create a broadcast message to where you can be able to send a message out through. Yeah, baby. And that's one thing I do love about having an ad-on business. My beautiful little baby. Hold on. Here, I'll be right with you. So yeah, man, I love being here, man. Love being here all day with her. But as you can see, got a QR code maker and a URL shortener, something like compare like to the Bitly, where you could shrink in that your affiliate link down to where it's just one little link. Got a little fly running around here, man. But as you see, it's an all-in-all one marketing system. I'll take you up to the dashboard. So over here in the dashboard, you got your profile set up, and any new updates or anything that comes up with the system, they'll update this video right here, so that way you're kept up to date with everything that's going on within the system. We also have a Facebook group, and then so you have your tabs over here with your system referrals, your commissions, your my links. So you'll go into my links and you'll be able to keep your pages that you make, that you have edited. You get a lead magnet page. Then right here is all the done for you capture pages. So it does all the selling and telling for you. It already has a 30-day email follow-up connected to it. So once someone joins you are in and they don't fully go through the process, they still gonna get a 30-day email follow-up. This is where you'll keep all your capture done for you capture pages, the ones that you would remake and redo. Capture pages, bridge pages, and multi-stream. They just added this into a new system, a multi-stream income system that you'll be able to have access to when you come in at the marketing system, which again is a one-time $150 payment. You're gonna click the link down in below. It's gonna take you to a, sales page for you. So that way it's gonna tell you everything about the system. Watch the 3-minute video. Get started with me today. And if you're gonna use this as a way to get paid, is member to member direct sales. So however you want to get paid, they offer through Cash App, Bitcoin. They have other payment options, Stripe. Down in the back, they give you all the training down in the back office once you get joined on how to set up all your systems and everything. So little fly, man. So anywho, keep it rocking and roll. Little fly ain't gonna stop me. But anyhow, so if you want to get joined, if you want to get started with this and learn how to generate a study cash inflow system with my 6-figure blueprint, the link is in the description. I have a Facebook profile down there. Get with me through Messenger. I'm here I'm here with you. You get my support so I can welcome you into the Facebook group so you stay up to date with all the new training, anything that else comes upon with the system. This is a friendly beginner system. So if you want to get started in affiliate marketing,